Hello there, welcome to Chemo TV, your home for free information to successful freelancing and to a successful life. Okay there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is going to help our channel a lot, and don't forget to share. Once you find our videos very useful, don't forget to share. Yes, thank you. Getting back to the video of today, we'll be talking about how to link your Upwork to your GeegPay. Upwork is a freelancing platform. I know you know that already, where you get to connect with clients and offer your services and you get paid. Okay, then you have GeegPay, a payment solution for Africans. So I don't have any affiliation with them. I'm just doing this video because of the love and how they have helped Africans to get payment easily. So therefore we'll be going into it detail now, how you can connect your GeegPay to Africa and your Upwork to get your payment easily. It's so straightforward. All you need to do is that you log into your Upwork. So let's start with Upwork now. Upwork.com. Yes, Upwork.com. You log into your Upwork.com. My profile is logged in already. As my profile is logged in already, so all I need to do is that I click my picture here, then I go to account setting. From my account setting, I can go down to get paid. Don't forget my account is yet. I need to verify it. I got my first contract, and I will need to verify it. Okay, so then I had a method to get my money. Then I go down here, I will see how I can receive direct deposit to a US bank account, direct USD. So I set it up, I click set it up, then it's open for me. Once it's open, okay, so the name is supposed to be the same, but don't worry, I have 3 names in my ID. So I use my first name and my middle name on my Upwork. Then it doesn't matter. When they ask for the verification, I have the ID card, I have the details to back it up. So go to your GeegPay to Africa too. Once your GeegPay to Africa is open, you logged in, you know this already. I don't have to go over that again. So when you get your GeegPay dashboard, you click your USD account, then you get your details. This is my detail. Then I can easily copy my account number, my account holder name, my account routing, then I can just do that. Okay, so I copy. Let me start with routing here. Okay, let me start with routing here. I have account routing here, then I have account, so it shows the bank already. It's West Fargo Bank. Then okay, I can copy this account number. This is my account number. Confirm account number. Account number need to be typed. Okay, 40630 40360. No, that's wrong. 40630 40630 40630 40630 248410 248410 8410 284163 284163 284163. Okay, since I have that, then I need to just copy the name also. The name should be the name that should be seen on the account is this. Okay, so paste this. Is the same individual, then it's checking. Individual checking is not a corporate account. Individual checking. Then I just click add bank account, and that's all. So it will be I'll be notified once so I will need to withdraw it. That's how to link it. Don't worry, I'll collect the name. So that's all. Thank you very much and have a nice time.